going on, guys? This is Gene Jensen, and we are about to do something really exciting. This video is all about the giveaway of my Bonafide SS127. We have chosen a winner. We used angler.com to do this giveaway. We had over 35,000 entries. I am freaking stoked. But the winner's name is Nathan Palmer. We're going to call him over in Texas and see if we can't get his reaction when he finds out that he won this kayak. Hopefully he answers. I wouldn't answer. Well, he didn't answer the first time. We're going to try it again. And no, we're not giving it to anybody else. Maybe we'll text him and say, hey, you better answer your FaceTime. Bah, there you are.
Hey!
What's going on, man?
How are you doing?
Good. I just wanted to let you know that you have won my stinking kayak.
What?
Yes.
I was excited about the bullseye.
No, dude. Yeah, you're getting my old beat up, dirty, farted in kayak, man.
Hey, well, I'll put some more love and wear on it, hopefully.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So make sure you are Nathan Palmer. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's awesome, man. Where are you from?
I'm in Temple, Texas.
Okay. All right. Sweet. So you're gonna put plenty of use to that thing. There's some good lakes around there.
Yeah, Lake Belton's got some great smallmouth.
Yep. Yeah. It's that's the only thing I'd catch at Belton. First time I ever fished Belton, they told me the story about the Belton bullets, which are all 1/8 of an inch shorter than keepers, and so I caught 40 of those that day during the tournament. I did a Wounded Warrior tournament right there. Man, how did you enter?
Instagram and then Facebook and YouTube, I guess.
Okay, sweet. We had 35,000 entries, actually more than that, but just a little more. Yeah, dude. So you won 1 out of 35,000 plus.
Well, I feel very special.
Yeah, man. What Angler's gonna ship that to you. We might try to send you some more goodies and other stuff like that once we have your address, but I haven't hit up any of my sponsors for that crap yet, so we'll definitely do that. But congratulations. We just wanted to get it on video, so you'll be on my YouTube video that we launch tomorrow. So yeah, man, we appreciate you entering, and thanks for watching my videos and being a fan, man. I really do appreciate it.
Well, I'm a fourth-year medical student about to start residency, so I got a little bit of break to get
What are you doing your residency in?
Family medicine.
Oh, right on, dude. Right on. I worked in that hospital for 20 years, and it was they were always teaching hospitals. So,
Yes.
But my biggest word of advice is do not piss off your nurses or your techs, because they can make your life miserable.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, man. You take it easy. Have a great day.
Hey, thank you. Bye.
Okay. All right, bye. That's awesome, man. So that was Nathan Palmer. We're gonna ship him that kayak. It's just gonna be. I'm excited. This is something I think I want to do every year. This has been an absolute blast. When I swap up my kayak every year, why not give it away? I don't have any more use for it. So, but like I always say, guys, be sure to introduce somebody to fishing. Introduce them to my channel. Let me help you teach them how to fish. More importantly, get out on the water. Go out and catch some fish and have a great day. We'll see ya.